Hey everybody, it's Jason Gervais here for the week of May the 25th, 2020. This is our weekly website ROI tip of the week. We're now about a week into phase one of reopening, and there's been some talk of scaling back on that because we've got some new cases. But let's be hopeful and assume that businesses are going to remain open. I don't think it's in the province's best interest to rewind on that. Let's hope that if they have to bring on more restrictions, they would ask that we all wear masks at all times, especially when indoors, when we're around other people. But leaving that aside, I wanted to share with you that a lot of our seasonal clients that rely on the spring rush of web traffic are really crushing it this year. We've been doing the search engine optimization on their website throughout the year, and of course doing the other marketing activities as well. But we're seeing tremendous growth in organic search engine traffic in particular, and a lot of new sales and lead conversions that are coming through as a result of that. Normally, if this is your busy season, but you're not busy right now, it's a great time for you to ramp things up, really start focusing on your marketing. And I think you'll realize that this is a great time to generate some really solid revenue for yourself. Last week, I recorded a video and I put it out as part of my weekly tip. It was a longer video, but it was called the Holy Grail of website ROI. And I walked through the specific steps of what we feel is important to make sure that you're getting the best possible return on investment from your website and your online marketing activities. So I'll include the link again in this week's email. I encourage you to watch that if you haven't already and implement those principles into your marketing strategy so that you can get better results. I just want to share my screen with you. If you'll bear with me here, I'm going to find the right one. There we go. And share. Okay. So I'm not going to go into making this big screen and everything, but I just wanted to walk through a few highlights of clients that we've been working with for a while. This client, and I've eliminated their name here for privacy reasons. If you know me or you've worked with me before, you might know who some of these clients are. Anyhow, this company is in Oakville. They sell patio furniture, hot tubs, and game room equipment. We saw a 96% increase year over year. This is looking at the first 4 weeks, I guess, of May. So right from the 1st until the 25th, they've had 13,717 visits to their website, which is 95% increase over the previous year. And through that, they had 416 goal completions. So that's sales through their e-commerce website or people that are filling out forms and inquiring from them in some fashion. And we're also tracking phone calls. Now, in particular, their SEO, search engine optimization traffic, increased 224% year over year. So they had 10,403 visitors that got to them in that way. And just looking at the increase over the previous period, so if we compare it to the first 25 days of April, the increase was still 59%, I think that says. Another client, this one sells supplies for gardening and landscaping, like soil and mulch and paving stones and all that sort of thing. 47,000 visits. This client's been working with us since I think around 2007. So we've been working with them for a very long time. We've done a lot of optimization on their website through the years, but it's phenomenal. 171% increase in traffic just for this month, 47,000 visits, 4,665 goal completions. And they've been so inundated, they haven't been able to manage all their phone calls and inquiries. So within the last 3 weeks, we've implemented e-commerce on their website. So now their customers can order soil delivery and mulch and whatnot directly. And their business is taking off. It's unreal. They've got almost 10% conversion rate. So that means that 10% of all the visitors that hit their website are engaging in one fashion or another that were of those measured activities, whether it's a phone call, submitting a quote form, or now that they have e-commerce installed on their website, it would be a purchase. And then when you look at their organic search traffic, again, their increase was 174% year over year to 38,401 visitors. And again, a significant, actually compared to April, it's down a little bit. So April is always their busy season anyway, because especially if the weather it starts to be nice, and we've all been locked in our homes, so they were getting a lot of soil orders and things like that at that time. This client here sells fireplaces, and of course, outdoor fireplaces would be a popular item at this time of year. So again, they're a bit smaller in terms of the traffic and the volume that they can handle, but still 1,245 visits within the first 25 days of the month, which is up 70% over last year at this time, and are up 24% compared to just last month, with a 5% conversion rate and 67 goal completions for the month. Again, looking specifically at their search engine optimization traffic, they had almost 1,000 visits so far for the month and 128% increase year over year. And these guys are one of our high-end landscape clients. They're doing a lot of backyard where they do a swimming pool and the whole, the trees and the shrubs and the hardscaping around that. So again, they've seen almost 2,000 visits so far for the month, 132% increase year over year. And then when we look at their organic search engine traffic, a 280% year over year increase. 1,267 visits. So if you're not doing blogging and ongoing search engine optimization, you need to be doing that. It's very, very important to grow your traffic to your website and gain a lot of credibility from Google, because when you have really high volume of rich, valuable traffic that your customers are going to enjoy and appreciate reading, that signals to Google that you have a valuable website. So it kind of feeds more traffic into you. So that's it for today. Just thank you very much for your time and for stopping by. If you need any help and you'd like even just have a conversation about how you can implement these strategies better into your website and online marketing to get better results, please give me a call. I'd be happy to spend some time, and perhaps we can help you. Even if we can't, I can point you in the right direction. Until next week, God bless everybody.